So this is a Behringer PMP6000, the powered mixer. So it's quite nice, but as I mentioned in the PMP4000, the fan noise is slightly high, so I'm going to do the same thing to add a switch here so that we can have 3 settings for the fan. One is the original high speed fan, and then we have a low speed fan by adding series resistors, and then we're going to have a fan off. So I'm going to again use this switch, so you can see 2 rows, so you can switch to, and it's 3 positions for the switch. So the first thing is to remove the top. A lot of screws actually you can see, and then the simplest way is to remove here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then in the front 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. So you don't have to remove these ones, so you just remove the outer screw. After you remove those screws, you can very much lift the top slightly and then slip it backward to expose the fan area. And probably if it's not a new item, you can also clean up the heat sinks. Again, these are the power supply heat sink, and there's an amplifier heat sink underneath this cover. So you can make some cleaning before you do the switch. So again, this is the smaller fan, bigger fan. I'm going to add a resistor in series for the smaller fan and big fan. Smaller fan, because the current is smaller, I'm going to use 100 ohm in series. And the bigger fan, the current is double that current of the smaller one, which is about 200 milliamps. So I'm going to put a series resistor of 50 ohm. So the way you choose resistor should be about 3 watts or 5 watts, the better, right? So for instance, this one I'm going to use, it's a 3 watts resistor. Okay. So I'll do the changing, drill a hole, put a switch, and then solder the resistor on the switch, and then tie the switch up and put everything back. So just finished the switch. So this lever will be lower than the feet on the 2 sides, so it should be okay when you flip up. And this is the switch. We have a 50 ohm on the left hand side for the bigger fan and 100 ohm for the smaller fan. And again, the lead to the fan goes to the middle pin, and then input of the power to the upper pin, and the lower pin basically connected to the resistor. So you have 3 positions: slow speed, no fan, and high speed. High speed is the full speed. Everything assembled back. So cross finger, hopefully. Okay, turning on. So now it's in the middle position. The fan is off. This is the low fan position. So the noise is minimum. Turn off. This is high fan position. So you can hear clear here. High fan position is noisier. No fan is quiet. Low fan is okay.